It's a war of attrition with no end, and sometimes seems invisible amid other carnage in the world dominating headlines. But the impact of Sudan's civil war is very clear for those on the receiving end.
Kids didn't start this war. They are not the ones who are really fighting this war. They're not responsible for this war, but they are the victims.
Since April last year, at least 150 children have been killed and many more injured, largely a forgotten number when it comes to the protagonists in the fighting.
It's one thing for somebody to say something at a very senior level, and it's something else to see that those pledges enacted on the ground on the battlefield.
While the focus is on famine and malnutrition, UNICEF says they're also doing everything they can to stop the spread of disease.
We have a massive cholera outbreak that is expanding by the day. We have thousands and thousands of people who've been infected by the disease. We've got hundreds who have died.
1.8 million doses of the cholera vaccine have been shipped in to help, but that's just scratching the surface.
We're working with the Ministry of Health to make sure as many people as possible are vaccinated as quickly as possible. But most importantly, we need to make sure people have access to safe and clean drinking water and good sanitation.
The crisis doesn't stop there. 80% of children in Sudan are not going to school.
That is a massive emergency. This is the largest educational emergency that I know of right now. That's going to ripple through Sudanese society for generations to come.
Despite the devastation, UNICEF says the people of Sudan remain optimistic about their future, giving its team on the ground hope that they may be able to make a difference. Kristina Simich, TRT World.